In this video, I want to present a concise 5-step plan to make an effective digital marketing strategy that works in 2020. Today, you will learn the importance of online footprint for your business and key elements of digital marketing strategy. The video will also teach you to remain competitive by making an effective use of various digital marketing platforms. I came across the idea of digital marketing when I engaged with the digital marketing department of my company. I learned about key factors that need to be considered while formulating digital marketing plans. Besides, working on different digital marketing campaigns taught me the significance of social media and different digital marketing platforms in today's highly competitive business environment. Based on the knowledge and experience I gained from my professional career, I have devised a 5-step plan that could help entrepreneurs organize their future digital marketing business plans. Recently, I studied the potential of global digital marketing sector and came to know that having a digital footprint is essential to remain competitive. Digital marketing strategies must be cross-platform and cover the entire customer base for better results. However, formulizing effective digital marketing plans requires specific skills. Hence, many top companies use the expertise of full-service outsourced digital marketing agencies outsource their online efforts. Primary goals of digital marketing include: build brand image, enhance corporate recognition, increase conversion rate, interact with potential customers, outperform competitors, affect buyers' purchase decisions. These goals can be achieved by 1. Understanding your audience. 2. Determining your digital marketing goals. 3. Developing creative content strategies. 4. Choosing preferred marketing channel. 5. Checking your benchmarks. So in today's video, you learned about primary elements of effective digital marketing strategies that could help companies accomplish their desired objectives. If you liked the facts presented in this video and want to get similar information in future, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Moreover, to discover more about the latest ongoing outsourcing patterns, subscribe to our newsletter. It's very insightful and absolutely free.